How to get rid of gum disease pain fast in your own home. Gum disease is really a gums and teeth caused as a result of microbial infection. Gum disease is among the more painful dental illnesses affecting the gums. It's characterized by irritated and bleeding gums in addition to gums that start to recede in the teeth. Need to know how to get rid of gum disease pain fast in your own home? First of all, good dental hygiene is needed to avoid the development of gum disease. Additionally to that particular, it's also wise to apply certain homeopathic remedies to deal with this problem naturally. The following: Aloe gel. Take an aloe leaf. Cut the leaf sideHow and transfer the gel present inside to some container. Use a layer of the gel around the affected gums. You may either leave it on or gargle following a couple of minutes with plain water. Baking soda. Take 1 teaspoon baking soda and water. Add enough water towards the baking soda to create a paste. Apply this paste around the gums with clean fingers. Leave it on for 5 minutes after rinse the mouth area. Fresh lemon juice. Take 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice and a glass of water. Combine the fresh lemon juice with water and employ this like a mouthwash. Swish this solution inside your mouth for 12 minutes after spit it. Rinse the mouth area clean with plain water.